standard needle clamp, 2-piece standard needle clamp, 3. Number 5, only one of those. Number 6, I'll punch you in the card. Get you more hours in. Number 6. Also, if you're thinking to get more hours, is just make more videos. More videos, more hours.
More videos, more hours. Good point. Welcome back, everybody. Let me just get some entertainment going here. Fred Sanford's Vintage Sewing Machine Parts. Another exciting box opening. Yay! And it's a light one. Very, very light. We are finally on the unknown sewing parts box number 48. Woo! I've been opening boxes for 6 months. Finally on box 48, and I hope it's a good one. We'll start off by moving the expensive phone out of the way. How's that? Now I can get at it. No clue what's in here. Alright, I could start to see what's in the box. Y'all ready? Some massive size belts. Some giant belts. Hey, they got numbers on them. Singer, a 603975002. Wonder. And a Singer 408254. They're very large belts. This one's a 37977. Hmm. 6039. So we're getting some belts here. Belts. More belts. The Singer 603975-007. A compartment of some sort with I don't know, what is it? Whatever that thing is, whatever this thing is, whatever that thing is. Kind of cool. Has a number 5 on the bottom. No clue. That's a good closure on it. A couple of I don't know. Oh, a little tool that goes with it. 2 more of those things. One of these crazy looking plates. Looks like some kind of industrial or serger foot. 794 FAF serger. Those little blade things. Alright, we're down to the second row. Hey, pretty cool belt. MB 490. A real thin belt. Real thin, good size. $14 for a 19 1/4 inch belt. We got a stack of them. 18 and a half, 18 and a half, 18 and a half. More 17 and a half inch belts. They're all labeled and numbered. 17 and a half. Looks like a little leather Singer 221. Don't look like it. I really don't think so. It's saying it's a 17.5, but I don't look like it. I don't believe it. They're saying another 17.5. $20. Does that look like a 221 belt? Doesn't it look too small? That's what it's claiming. $20. There's a couple of them. I'm gonna have to try that out. There's 4 of them. I know we can cut that price in half. Well, it's looking like the whole box is. What a waste of space for a few belts I could stick in one little bag. They got a lot of numbers to them. I might have a few featherweight belts, and these are these big ones, man. I'll tell you, 181732 Singer. That's what it says. They're massive belts. No clue. I'm just throwing them out here. Some of these just don't have sizes on them. They just have. This one says the 920. Singer 900. 900. 920. No name. A lot of belts. If you're watching, you're probably subscribed. If not, if you like to, at the end of the video, right up here, I think somewhere, you'll see a silhouette of me fishing. If you like, please subscribe, like, share the video if you like it. And we have a whole mess of belts. And I'll tell you what, if you want to feel more organized, you got to get yourself some of these. Because you could take this big old mess, just like I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the ones that are attempting to jump ship here off the table first. And I'm just grabbing the belts here. Just the belts. Just the belts here. I don't really need this tag, but it's going in there. Can we get them all in there, you think, or should we not push it that far? I say let's not push it that far. There's one. I ordered on the last order. I was ordering baggies by the thousands, but on this particular size, I ordered 3,000 because I noticed between 1,000 when I was reordering these, I was like, 'cause you know there's a big jump once you hit 1,000 on the price break. But then I was like, what if you go 1,500? And then I noticed between 1,000 and 3,000 wasn't a real big jump. Why order 1,000 3 times? So I just went in and got 3,000. I'm glad I did because I'm using them. There you have it. I guess we're just going to refer to box number 48 as the belt box. Thanks for watching. Box 49 coming soon. Got it right here next to me.